Okay, I'm experimenting. 69 years old. I don't have camera all set up properly yet. All I can do at this moment is try. See if I can get my feet. With my high tops on. Be not like us, not like us. I can't turn on no music because I don't want to be getting in trouble for copyright. So, man, baby, it's just coming in. It's cold outside. So, oh, this lighting is probably the best, huh? And anyway, getting ready to get out of all my winter gear. I got my hoodie off and my top coat over that off, and I still got face masks, and nice warm hat. This is like that, what was that movie? Was it like about an Alaska murder, a red drum? Can't say that word, red drum. What was that? It's a classic now. The lady had all the winter gear on, the lady police officer. Got me some new cute little readers. Ooh, this is, talk about a shorty. God, this is a short, isn't it? Okay, well, so it's really cold out here. In this part of Texas Hill Country, we don't usually get like below 32 for long periods of time. So it's been in the 20s, I think, last 24 to 48 hours. The high of 45. That's what is expected for a high Saturday. I was going to try to do another table, New Arthur table, at the local library, but I said no. Saturday coming up, high of 45, low of 17 or something. I don't know, but I'll wait till March next month and do a table, at least one for the month of March. Maybe 2 Saturdays, I'm not sure, but at least we're working on one confirmation for tribute recognition to Women's History Month for March. And I just learned also that it's also Traumatic Brain Injuries Awareness Month, the month of March. And maybe ADHD, I'm not real sure about that, but I'm looking into that. And so far, what I know, women, I'm a woman, like this month, Black History Month, and I'm a woman. And anyway, I'm a new author, and Boldly Beyond 50, A Black Woman's Guide to Aging with Excellence, spearheaded, curated by life coach Miss Linda Husser, a beautiful Black queen, a life coach to women 50 and over. Yeah, because she's over 50. And come up with the idea for this campaign or this crusade or this movement, Aging with Excellence, 50, boldly 50 and beyond. And so I was part of the group, blessed to be able to, honored to contribute a chapter to the anthology, Volume 1. And my understanding is Volume 2 will be coming out maybe spring of 25 or even before. I'm not sure what their progress schedule is. I've got so many distractions going on myself right now. Going through a divorce, dealing with symptoms of health concerns that have been coming up, and hopefully get to the bottom of that, because I do have complex post-traumatic stress disorder, bipolar disorder, and it looks like I'm having symptoms of moderate traumatic brain injury. These symptoms didn't bother me before my 50s. Um, After my 50s, especially more lately. And like my therapist said, I'm back in therapy at least once a month. And my therapist was reminding me that stress exacerbates symptoms. Of course, I'm under stress lately. You know, my divorce hopefully will be final by March 15th. And things should start to be less oppressive feeling, on and on and on. And either way, I'm on this side of the grass, and I'm practicing Thanksgiving every single day, 365 a year, because I'm glad to be here. And I'm glad I remembered a time when I didn't want to be here. So God is so good to help me get to the point I'm at now. I don't have those dark, depressive times, even though I don't take the drugs that they tried to prescribe me. I did take Seroquel for a while and some other medications that helped me level out and get better sleep. And I'm not taking any of that right now. I'm doing as much as I can natural treatment of the mild to moderate traumatic brain injury and my other issues. Cognitive therapy is definitely something I do. See my therapist, like I said, at least once a month. And nature helps me, and writing and other things, hobbies, therapeutic fitness physically. I may have some issues up in here, but thank you, God. I got some muscles too. So I'm out of here for now, y'all. Over and out. Love every one of you. Stay safe and blessed. Blessing. Be blessed. Blessings continually. And all of us who are in the small YouTubers community, let's go. Yes, indeed. Let's rock. What did he say? In that plane, what was the guy's quote? What did they say? He said, let's roll, or I can't remember. Anyway, I'll be back, God willing.